Okay guys, it's Big C. It is 3:38, December 12th. Just the last of the catch-up breaks of all the absolute and limited. So we're going to go ahead and do the absolute that ended on 12/3. And here is the sign-up sheet. We'll go back up.
Alright guys, how many phone calls have you received saying, do you think you can get me a ticket? Can I get a ticket? It's unbelievable. The demand is, seriously, stop. No tickets, that's it. It's the hottest ticket in town, the Discover BCS National Championship game.
Alrighty. Now we'll go ahead and get started again. We'll open this. Will be 4 mini boxes in there. Really sliced. And last one. Okay, I think we got them all. Well, that's a thin one. There's one. Two. Three. And the last one. We'll do that one and this one first. Those things are really thin. So. Alright, so here we go with the absolute. This is absolute 3. Okay, bring that up. We got Chris Johnson, running back, Titans. Jay Cutler, Ryan Matthews. James Hanna, Cowboys. And Harrison Smith, Vikings. The Cowboys is numbered out of 399. And Harrison Smith Spectrum is numbered out of 299 for the, I think that was the Vikings. That goes to Seattle. And then go to Big Ben. Again, none of these are numbered. I mean, they look like they should be because they're pretty nice, but they're not. Darren McFadden, Donald Brown, Marks of the Game, Steven Jackson, Skins Fan Troy, that's numbered out of 100, and Tavon Wilson for the Patriots, Jeff and Stacy, and that is numbered out of 299. Okay, now to the thicker packs. Pull these up. We got Jamal Charles, Kevin Cobb, Drew Brees, Zach Brown. Oh, we got a Colt. Colts are Frankie and Mitz, I guess. Kobe Fleener, rookie. Is that on card or sticker? I can't really tell, to be honest with you. I think it's on card. And that's numbered out of 299. So we've gotten some Colts and Redskins so far, but not the right 2 yet. Okay. Got Tim Tebow, DeMarco Murray, Anquan Bolden, Reggie Bush, and Saints duel. Drew Brees, Marcus Colston will go to Jeff and Stacy also. And that's out of 50. So Jeff and Stacy did pretty decent. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. That was the absolute 3 that ended on 12/3. So, all right, guys, keep checking them out. Big C 2020-14. Thanks, man.